on, bro. Your bat. You don't need your bat. Why every day you don't need your bat? Hey, video ka na. I need it soon. Okay. Sword. Transform. Yeah. Next time we should transform. Yeah. Let me place my compass here. It says it's right here. Banto tanda banto. Up. Ano lalaro niyo? Zombie-an. Tapos mag-video kami. Bo? Ata na yung ko. Bro, meron kong pulsa. Ano mo yung pulsa? Ano weapons mo? Yung gun mo. My compass says it's right there, right on the left. Soldier tayo. Yeah. It's right on the left. Bro. What? Your tracker. Yeah. My tracker. I'm gonna place it right over here. Broski! Oh! Broski! Bro! Let's put our I can hold that, bro. Oh. Broski. We need to put our tracker somewhere. Put it on a cage or what? It's your back. Ito, bomba. Okay, bomba ko yan eh. That's my bomb eh.
Meron akong infinite na bomba.
Tapos ikaw mag-hawak ng camera.
Ako yung cameraman.
Isasend yan sa may video.
Oh.
Uy, pag ganyan o. Uy, pabaliktad yung parang nag-games ka. Ganyan.
Okay.
Ayun.
Yung...
The hell? Get the bandage. Bandage to ah. Bandage to ah.
The tracker said is right here. Come on, man!
Hey, can you hold this?
Bro, are you the mag-track?
Bro, transform sword.
Bro,
Put the tracker.
where?
Here. Cover it with some sand.
Sabre, are we in the desert?
Yeah. Gonna find some dinosaur.
Yeah!
Ha?
Tignan mo yung camera.
What? I see some home.
Seven!
Bro, in the desert is no home. Huh? It's a level 1 monster. You need our copy. Bro, you need some bandage.
Ano yung bomba?
Yeah. Level 1 pa lang yan. Kaya bawal yung bomba. Ito yung bandage. Heal natin yung level 1. That's the level 1 monster. It's hurt? Yeah, no level 1 monster. We need to heal him first. Level 1 monster. We need to heal him. Manakos. Bro, we need to heal him. Oh. The level 1 monster. Bro, it's a monster. It can help us, bro. Not help us. Okay. Hello, not level 1. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see how viewers. Wait a minute. What? I can transform my sword to a big gun. Yeah. Yeah. Hi guys. We have a big boy.